Greetings one and all. Welcome back to my kitchen here today, where I'm going to be making absolute classic, one of the most loved curries in the world. I don't know if it's the most, but it's definitely up there with up in the top ratings. So I'm going to be making beef massaman, and I'm going to be making mine from scratch today. So I'm going to be using some stewing steak, some chuck steak, and the first thing I'm going to do here is just brown some of those off, and I've got it in quite large chunks, and there's a couple of tablespoons of oil there heating up in my little wok. Right, get ready for some noise. Alrighty, now once that meat's been cooking away and it's getting nice and caramelised on the outside, I'm now going to add my paste, and I've got quite a bit of it here, probably about 3/4 of a cup, and I'll show you what I put in that. People complain I don't put recipes up, so I'll put up on the screen a picture of what's in it and the recipe. And what I'm going to do with that is just give it a quick cook off in my meat there. Just for a minute or two. Alrighty guys, once that paste has been frying away for a little while, I'm now going to add 1 can or 400 ml of coconut milk. I've got 2 cups of beef stock. Tablespoon of fish sauce, tablespoon of tamarind puree, now I've got here a hard lump of palm sugar, so that's about a tablespoon or so, and it's hard at the moment but it'll melt into that. Now I'm going to also add just a couple of kaffir lime leaves, just sort of screwed up. Two star anise. 2 or 3 cloves. 1 cinnamon stick, that's a small one, say half a cinnamon stick. And I've just got a little piece of pandan leaf just sitting there. And once that gets to the boil, we'll get it down to a low simmer, and we're going to cook this for probably a couple of hours. Yeah, like I say, that's stewing steak, so it needs a good long cook. And we'll just keep checking it. If the liquid level drops too low, we'll just add a little bit of water as we go. Alrighty guys, so after that's been simmering away for an hour or so, I've got here 4 small potatoes, and as you saw, I've given them the old crinkle cut treatment. Just put them in.
Idresinha fica from California, right?
Alrighty guys, so yeah, it's been a couple of hours. This curry is just about cooked, thickened up nicely. Yeah, really nicely. And just the last thing I'm going to add to that is I've just been toasting some raw peanuts. In a dry fry pan there, and I'm just going to throw those in there. So that's only probably, I don't know, 1/4 of a cup, something like that. Let's put them in. Just mix them through. And I'm just going to get that heat off now. And shortly we'll be serving up. Alrighty, so I've just served up my Massaman beef curry here. Really looking forward to this. I'm really hungry. Yeah, no mucking around with this. Just going to get straight into it. So we'll try a bit of the beef. Nice and tender. See if we can see it up close. Try it. Classic, beautiful flavours. You just cannot go wrong with this dish. It's so good. I'm just going to try a bit of this spud. And can't go wrong with spud, so let's just see if she'll focus. The light's fading here, so the focusing's not too good. Whoop, drop the nut, doesn't matter. Anyway, a spud is a spud is a spud. Let's taste it. When it's a spud, not a spud though. When it's in Massaman, it's just delicious. Alrighty guys, like I say, the light's gone down here. I'm just going to sit down and finish eating this. Thanks for watching. Thanks to everyone who has subscribed to the channel. You guys are awesome. If you haven't subscribed yet, as always, I'll just ask you hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. But if you don't want to, no worries. And I will see you all next time.